Good morning. Only 2 students? Why? 3. What happened? 4. Okay, so I think we are done. Only this much students will be there. Everyone, please switch on your cameras. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So today we will be having some discussion about the examination. You must have seen that I have uploaded the syllabus of exam in Google Classroom. So have you gone through?
Which topic was you telling?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you better.
And we wrote now you will give one topic.
One sec. Yes, hello. Can you please speak up again?
Ma'am, you told us you will give one topic in class.
Yes. I'm going to give a topic in class about multimedia. We have done multimedia. We have done about that storyboard. So in multimedia, we have studied about how we can collect the pictures and how we can assemble the pictures. You must have done about many type of collage and other things. So the topic would be a recipe you have to create. So I was just trying to show you an example of a recipe. The recipe would be there in a single card, and in that you have to have some pictures. You need to click pictures of the different parts of a particular recipe with a different angle, so that what you want to convey in the recipe should be easily visible. And that particular point, what would be the procedure of doing that recipe. So that will be your project topic. Okay, so I have divided the exam in 2 parts. We have 25 marks altogether. So 15 marks would be in Google form. The Google form will comprise of various MCQ questions. Mostly it would be around 15 questions, 1 mark for each question. And there will be 3 or 4 options given with every question. You have to select only one answer, and you just have to tick into it. It will automatically take the answer by itself. So that would be of 15 marks, and 10 marks will be on your project. You have to complete your project by 15th of January. You can even start the project doing the project from today itself. And even if you want, you can submit it earlier. Even if you complete it today itself, you can submit it to me today only at my email ID. Today, I'm going to give my email ID in Google Classroom itself. Okay. Anyways, if you want, you can write it. It's anuba@hubschooling.com. So either in that mail ID, you will submit it. Yes, Abdullah.
Any recipe, or do we have to write? I mean, any recipe or
Any of your choice, any of your favorite food.
so, matlab recipe mein we have
Ma'am,
to show
where
that
we have to
making
make
of
the
this
recipe?
thing, ma'am. Making of this thing
Yes. Recipe
in the
means
storyboard.
in the storyboard. So what you have to do, how to make suppose it's a Nescafe cupcake. So what are the ingredients we need? So give a picture of a different ingredient and write it in the sideways. The ingredients are these. Then the very first step is to,
But some of us cannot upload the pictures.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I'm also not able to
it
upload
shows,
pictures.
It shows something like update That something like that only it shows.
Yes, ma'am. We have
Whenever-
to go pro for the pictures. It doesn't show.
But
in
I've
mine
shown you, na? I am able to upload the picture. Why you people are not able
also.
to?
Sorry about that.
Yes, in a storyboard that. Did you give your email ID in that? I asked you to create an account now.
Yes.
Some of you have done
Yes.
like just to do.
Ma'am, I created, ma'am.
Still, it is not allowing you to upload the picture.
Yeah, ma'am. I logged in. And ma'am, in your storyboard also you can add, I mean, how many rows you want and how many columns. In my
Hmm.
storyboard, only grids of 3 and 6, ma'am. Not more than that.
Yes, ma'am. In my also.
Why is because मेरे पास तो बहुत पुराना वर्जन है लैपटॉप का भी.
Ma'am, it
And-
shows you need a premium account to upload your own photos and pictures. Like that.
You are allowed to if you are creating a storyboards many storyboards in a week, then only it will ask for premium account. Otherwise for making 2 storyboards per week it will allow you to do so, but मेरा तो सॉफ्टवेयर भी पुराना है, सब है, फिर भी ऐसा क्यों? Then what you are going to make? Okay, Abdullah, share your अपग्रेड नहीं करेंगे यार, क्यों करेंगे हम? हर जगह पैसे नहीं देंगे ना.
No, it's not for uploading. If we didn't upgrade. So you'll put money in it.
Nah, we won't pay any money to it. अच्छा तो what to do? You tried well, but
Ma'am, we could just take a screenshot of the laptop page, the page of that.
if you want to show, you can show me by screen sharing also. But I'm wondering that what should I supposed to do so that it happens, because I didn't never ever I faced this kind of problem.
Ma'am, we can make on Canva or
Yes, you can make on Canva
or
also.
Scratch. Scratch would be such a nice
Scratch
option.
is programming, no? I want to make a board, a pin board. A pin board is something like, and now what we are seeing in the screen, there are 9 grids seen. So in every grid, I can, if I put some picture, then it will, at a glance, you can take the
It's like a
capture
flip book.
anything. Yeah, it's kind of a
And
as
we
a
can
board.
use
It is
storyboard.
called as a board where we have various slides all together at a single place, and we can just take a
collage.
glance of it. Yes, it's a kind of a collage. But in collage, what happened? Everything is scattered. In something is small, some things are bigger, some things are large, some things are bright. But in boards, what we have the fixed kind of a structure. We have fixed grids structure. So then in that case, it gives a quite good glance of anything. When I go to Pinterest, I just scroll down the pages and I can understand that yes, this board I have to go ahead with that so I can get whatever I want into it. That is why we are
Ma'am,
using
you can
storyboard.
use storyboard.
Which board? Whiteboard. Storyboard, that what we are using. Yes. Yes, you can do with Canva also. Create a story in Canva. You can upload, you are able to upload the pictures in Canva, right? You people are able to, yes, Ibrahim Rizwani. Yes, Rushta, this is what we are discussing right now. For 10 marks examination, I have asked you to say, I have asked you to create a multimedia project. So a project will be, I was expecting you to do. Ibrahim Rizwani, what happened? Why you are crying? Tell me. Yes, Ibrahim. What happened, Bacha?
Ma'am, can you show again how to upload picture? I will try with
Yeah,
my
sure.
account.
Yeah, sure, definitely. So try to create a storyboard in your this thing. storyboard that. Otherwise, you can go to Canva. Okay. So will it be possible for you all to create a storyboard in Canva?
We will try.
We have done in Canva also, no? Just a second. And मेरा Pinterest इसमें नहीं खुल रहा है.
Manas is asking if he can share his screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing. Just a minute. Yeah, I was finding out a good board for you. Initially, my Pinterest was not opening up, but now it's okay. So let me show you what I'm expecting for you to create in project. So something like this. See, these are the, yeah, there is something. So this is one block of the storyboard. So you just think beforehand how many steps would be there in your recipe. First would be your ingredient, and then second will be the procedure. So how many steps will be there in the procedure, and what would be the final content. So that many rows and columns you will take from storyboard, and then you will create something like this. See, you are able to see this thing. These are different recipes, but you can create a single board like this, where the whole recipe of one single dish can be shown. Okay. See, so इस तरह से देखने से ना we take a grasp कि which thing is to be opt, which is more appropriate. So again, why we have discussed about photography initially when we have started about multimedia. So if the photograph is very good, you should be having, if I'm cooking something, so I can't take the picture of a gas. Now I have to take the picture from top portion. So you have to think about the angle of picture, the lighting of picture, and so many things. So all these beautiful pictures when assembled together, then that is the part of a multimedia. Yes, Ibrahim. Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, the Google form questions will be on which topic?
It will be on chapter 1. We have done with chapter 1, nature of technology. So the basic computer content, so that we will be more aware about, and we would be having a revision about the computer thing. So these are the ongoing things. Now, computer के बारे में हमेशा मुझे पता होना चाहिए when I am talking about computers. So all the questions will be, mostly all the questions would be from Google. Sorry, chapter 1, nature of technology. Okay. And that will be multiple choice question that you have to do in the classroom itself. The project you can do at any time. You have to submit the project on 15 or before 15. But if you are submitting late, I am going to deduct the marks accordingly. Per day basis, 1 marks will be deducted.
Ma'am, before 15, no?
Before 15. On 15, before 15, you are allowed, even you are allowed to submit the project today. I don't have any problem. But yes, I will look into it, that how much creativity you have used. We have learned about various functions of this storyboard, that, and Canva. So how many features of these softwares you are using to create a beautiful board of yours? You can even create a board in your Pinterest account, in your Canva account, so that other people and make
Ma'am,
it
can we make
available.
video?
Yes, of course. You can keep a small video also. But I was expecting something. It should not be like only one एक block होके उसमें सिर्फ एक video नहीं चाहिए. So that will be another thing. Na? I'm expecting a board from you. So there should be at least 4,
Okay.
6 boxes should be there that shows everything together in one single page, and then I can choose. Today I am having how many students are there? 10 students are there. So I will be having 10 different recipe all together. So whosoever board is more beautiful, I will go into that now. That is how people select the things around the world. So make it so beautiful that people are forced to select your board. And then that is the thing multimedia does.
Ma'am, when we will
Make
have
it more
MCQ questions?
on the date of examination, and the date of examination will be come to you as a timetable, so you will understand when we will be having.
But
In the exam
what
week,
if we
we have the exam week in the last one. It's around 15, 16, 17th wala jo week hai, that is our exam week na. So on Thursday, let me see the calendar.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is
29.
next to next week. It is
Yeah,
next to
it's
next week.
next to next week, right? It is from 18 to 22. So we will be having class on 20th na. So you will be having exam on 20th, 2020. Okay. So this is about this. So now you want me to show how to upload the picture. So let's go ahead and
I want to show something. Ma'am.
okay, let me allow you.
Ma'am,
First.
first you share now.
Okay. Chalo. First I'll share, then I allow other participants to share their screen. Still, if you face any problem when you are creating your board, then just drop a message to me. I will help you. Okay. So let's write a storyboard. Yeah. Go through with the first chapter. If we have time left behind with us, then we will discuss this chapter 1 again. If you have any doubt, we can discuss in the next class also. Most probably, so let's go ahead to create a storyboard. I am not logging in so that I can see that whether I am able to upload something or not. Login करो, अभी भी कर सकती हूँ। Let's go into my. See, we can take close-up scenes also. ये तो वो उसमें ही है. Okay.
Ma'am, when we save it, where
see,
it go?
it stays here only. For saving purpose, we need to log in. If we
No,
are
ma'am,
created an account, then it will save everything, all storyboard in our account. So that is why we need to log in. Right now, I didn't log in. See, it is asking me to log in. I have not logged in. So whatever content I am going to create, it won't save. We can save it in our computer also. But if I want to keep it in a website, then it won't be stays there. It will help me to just create. So we can upload the picture from this point. See,
If
even
we save multiple, then how are we supposed to find which one we want?
what multiple, bacha?
Like we save multiple storyboards.
So you have to create your account over here. You log in your account. It will be there in your account. So there will be multiple storyboards available in your
If
account.
you scroll
But
down, your will be saved.
Just you
Okay.
have to see that you can create only 2 storyboard until you take a pro thing with you. So see here, you can upload the image from the left portion. See, बिना अकाउंट क्रिएट किए ये मुझे जाने नहीं देना है. चलो मेरे तो गूगल से है. I will go with that.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yeah, sure. See, अभी क्या हो गया? Sorry, you are unable to save your storyboard. Okay, मैंने login नहीं किया था ना, तो ये मुझे प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा है.
Then can you go back again? How did you do that? How did you come in the loading part?
Just a minute. See, we were here. So right now I have already logged in because it is asking me to log out. That shows me that I am logged in. If I am having this tab as log out, that means I am already logged in. क्यों भैया क्या हो गया? If you supposed to continue, please encourage your teacher to purchase the subscription. Okay. Actually क्या? एक चीज तुम लोगों ने ऐसा किया क्या? लुक हियर, अब्दुल्ला इब्राहिम Anash, somebody is facing a problem to upload now. See, did you took this tab to create a storyboard?
Yeah,
Did
ma'am.
you use? So it is for educators. And after 14 days of free trial, it will ask to go for pros thing. That is why your storyboards might not be saved in your account. You need to go here in the personal. See, nahi, just Abdullah, just have a look here. It is a personal edition over here. We are not using educator wala because for that school has to purchase this storyboard that so that all the school student can use one single platform for storyboard. As we said in Canva, now, we can share the file together.
Ma'am,
That will help us. So from personal thing, go to create a storyboard.
ma'am, I don't go from here. Mine is a different. I can show you.
Yeah, just a minute. I'll give you the chance. अरे अभी भी ये ऐसे बोल रहा है, क्या हो गया है जिसको? अच्छा, I have to log out. Okay. फिर से जाती हूँ. So always go in this personal edition. Don't go with the first one, the educator one. Now I'm here. Now I'm going to log in with Google. I accept the terms and condition. And then again, I have to press this Google button. And here, now I can create.
Ma'am, can I use the washroom?
Yeah, sure. Yes, let's see. So from where you need to upload, see,
I
let
went
me
in
finish.
I went in personal, but it is again showing me the upgrade now.
Okay, let's see. Take another account. Use some other account. Don't use the previous one. It may
Ma'am,
have.
I have one account only.
Okay. You must be having some account in okay, create a storyboard in Canva. That's fine with you? Acha,
Ma'am,
yahan
can you
whosoever.
let me share my screen, ma'am? I
Just-
want to show you how my screen comes.
Okay, okay, wait for a minute. What we will do, let me finish. Somebody asked me about uploading the picture. Let me finish this thing. How I went, see here, I have a more button. Can you see this more button? In the top,
Yes.
beside the storyboard there. So we'll go to more. Then we will just click into upload. And here I can see a tab of upload image. Just we have to take this image, we and select a file, drag or drop from this button. So now I can save any picture from internet in my computer system. and I can just open the file over here. And my color is available to us. See, now I can add it to anywhere.
Ma'am,
Right?
I want to show something.
Yeah, I'm giving you the chance. Just a minute. So I hope you're done with this uploading the picture.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, and you people are asking about the saved thing. Na? The saved thing is available in the downside. After your storyboard. When you save this, ना? ये सेव नहीं करने दे रहा है आज. पर्सनल में तो 15 दिन का कुछ था नहीं. चलो, I'll see to
Ma'am,
it.
it is
We have another
ma'am, it is
class.
telling me-
Okay, I'll see to it what is happening to it is. Yes, what it is saying. Sure. So let me see what you people want. I'm allowing you to share the screen. Please go ahead one by one. Yeah, sure. Anas Moment. Show me what you want to say.
Ma'am, see, I am doing what you did. I went here.
Hmm.
I went here.
Hmm.
Then I log in.
Hmm. Accept it now. Right. Hmm.
See,
Hmm.
when I go on upload,
Hmm.
see it doesn't.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to make like this story.
Yes. I'm expecting you to create something like this, but here we have only the pictures available. I want you to write some content in the side of the picture as well. What the things you are doing with this content, right? At the second step, what you are doing, you are beating the egg. So you have to write 2 to 3 lines about beating up the egg. Then in the third position, what is happening in the third photograph? We can't understand the third picture. So this is what I was expecting you to create. And in our book also, a storyboard has been written to create. Yes, no problem. If you are creating it in Canva, that is also called as a storyboard only. But don't make a PowerPoint presentation over there. I need something like this. So storyboard gives us this thing. I'll see to
Ma'am,
it
I'm
what the
not
problem.
able to do it still. I did it from my account, not the teacher's one then also.
I can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
that
Also, why
every
is
time it is
coming that-
asking the same thing, na?
Yes, ma'am. Mine also, ma'am.
Okay, I'll fix it. I'll just figure it out what is happening because मुझे तो वो नहीं problem कर रहा था. We will look into some other software then. I'll just
Ma'am,
help you out with that. Which
see,
software you can go ahead.
when I
Yes.
go in upload, it's not
Mhm.
coming only.
Okay, click to upload. अरे आ रहा है ना. See here. Below storyboard that. Don't click more. Below storyboard.
Ma'am,
you
it
have
is
an
showing upgrade now. You need a premium account to upload your.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll find out some substitute of the storyboard there. Okay, there are so many softwares available, no problem with that, because it is there in our book. So we went with the storyboard that if you're figuring out a lot of problem with this, I'll fix it. I'll find it today itself. I'm going to find a substitute for storyboard that, but the project will be same. You have to create a multimedia project where you have to create a story, and this is story where you are going to create. I'll let you know. I'll see to it that will Canva support this thing to us, and if it is so, then you will create the storyboard in Canva. Or else we have one more class in hand in the coming week. So in the coming week, we will practice something else, or let's see what we can do. अगर नहीं हुआ तो हम क्या करेंगे? ये तो बड़ा अजीब
Ma'am, we can type any recipe now for topic.
Sorry.
Even if a
Any
So hello. I can't hear you properly. Can you please speak up again? Okay, so till the lecture end, let us discuss about chapter 1. Somebody in the last class have asked me to discuss the chapter 1 back again. Have you done the storyboard more than twice a week? Because the storyboard that allowed us to create only 2 storyboards in a week without a pro account. Is that so? Does something like that happen with you so that you are not able to access?
Ma'am, we can only make 3 in 2 weeks.
Okay, so in the very first chapter, we have learned about networks. So can you please tell me what is a network? Remember anything about network?
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
share my screen? I found something on Canva, ma'am. Maybe it can help.
Okay. Chalo, I have allowed multiple students to share this screen. You can.
Ma'am, the whole internet
This,
network.
look, this kind of, I found it, I mean, in
Yes, yes. Here, this kind of thing we can use. We have done with Canva
Yes,
a lot of things.
but I don't think so. The type of we need is there, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. I'll
See, this kind of thing you can create.
for
Write a storyboard over there. Storyboard. Instead of recipe, write storyboard. The thing that we are doing is called as a storyboard actually.
this is all pro, ma'am. This story.
It is a storytelling it is taking. Yeah, this kind of thing you can take. No problem.
But ma'am, this is like science method, na?
So
Wait, ma'am.
you can edit now. You can remove this and write a recipe. And instead of this picture, take some other picture. And instead of these things, you can make changes in it. And that will help us to create a storyboard. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
So everyone have seen this. You are able to, you would be able to create something. And here there is upload button from where you can upload your pictures. Anyways, multimedia is something where we assemble various media, pictures, videos together to deliver our subject, our topic to the pupil in a very attractive and beautiful manner so that people attract towards it. Multimedia, what is the benefit of multimedia? It is from so many products, why we choose a particular product. In the market, we can see so many things all together, but still we focus on some particular thing because we have seen the advertisement of it, because we have seen a beautiful pamphlet. So always the beautiful pamphlet attracts us. And in Facebook, in Instagram, you can see so many ads coming up. So all the beautiful ads we focus a lot. So that is what the multimedia work is. Okay, so yes, we were talking about networks. So yes, what is network? Somebody was saying that network is something where so many computers are there. Something was someone was
Ma'am,
saying.
I said that
Yes.
network is the whole internet, like the whole website, social media, business websites, create
Mhm.
videos, like that is the
More
whole network.
specific, make it more specific.
Multimedia.
No, multimedia is
No.
assembling of various medias together, pictures, videos, other thing. But when we are talking about network, we are connecting various computers all together. And various work that various persons are doing in different computers can be seen in a particular place, or I can access in my computer system the work you are doing in your computer system. So why? Because my system is connected with yours with the help of a network. Right now, we are 11 participants, and all together we are sharing a single platform because we all are connected with the network. If our internet connectivity get lost, then we will be disconnected with each other. So that is called as network, the thing that is joining up various technological devices together so as to get communicated with each other very conveniently and in a faster mode. That is called as a network. Okay. So with the help of network, what are the uses of network? Network can help us to share the details very fast. We can communicate with each other very fast. It will reduce the time consumption. It will reduce the cost incurred. It also helps us to access the people very fast. We can share, nowadays, we can share our work together. We can make editing with each other's work. So many helpful things we can see. Right. So this is what the network is. So basically, so what are the kind of network? How we can connect the computers together? Right now we are talking about computers, na? So we will talk about
Gmail.
Gmail is
Gmail.
a email account. It is not a network. Networking is something
No, we
like
can
we have.
connect with Gmails. Like in Canva, we can work as a team if we put our Gmail.
Right, it's true, but
And for business purposes and for social purposes.
right, that's true. But the thing is, why we have Gmail? Gmail is something else. Network is something else. You know, your computer system is also having an address. You might have heard about IP address. If you go through with some detective kind of thing, some interrogation kind of thing, there you will find that some hackers are defined by IP address. Your computer system has an IP address. Your mobile phone has an IMEI number. That is, each and every device has different addresses. That is your mobile address, that is your device address, and your device is connected with network, not your Gmail account. In with the help of these network, you create your account in various websites. A Gmail account, you might be having a Gmail account. I'm having a Rediff account also. I'm having a Hubschool ID also. My husband is having some Yahoo ID also. So what is that? Various computer networks, various computer websites give you some benefit where you can create your account. अभी देखो तुम्हारे पास जियो का फोन नंबर होता है, किसी के पास आइडिया का फोन नंबर होता है, तो व्हाट इज दैट? Idea is giving you a space where you can have their number. Jio is giving you a space where you have Jio ka number. Tata is giving you a space where you have Tata's number. So these are the various things, various websites that are giving you the place in which you can keep your things together. So Gmail is a place, it's a postal address. where you are keeping your mails and other things together. And now you are associating your Gmail account with various other software. So Canva is one more website that is giving you a space where you can create many things and keep it safe over there. And you have connected it with Gmail so that you can recover it with the help of Gmail. Again, the WhatsApp is giving you a space where you can communicate with in your social platform. Facebook, another website, which is giving you a place where you can communicate with your another social network. Telegram is another software. It is another website. So there are various websites where you find out some space. BNI. What is this BNI, Mohammed? What you want to say?
Ma'am,
Okay,
it is
business
called Business
network.
Network India or International.
Yes,
Like
business
from where
network.
people from different businesses come and meet each other and exchange their business cards.
Okay. So yes, see, so many websites, even some of them we are not able to, we didn't even know about the things. And, oh, wow, good. That's nice. It sounds good now when we are just aligned with some people who can give us the more idea about what the things going on in upcoming world and what the things are going on all around the world. We are still in a world is so fast, so big. Anyways, it's good. So Gmail is not network. Actually, networking is where we connect the devices when different devices has different IP addresses, and with this help of this we can communicate with each other with different websites, and these websites give us the different place. So Google is the website that is giving you the space as mail, that gives space as sheets, as a space as PowerPoints presentation. You have learned now Google PowerPoint presentation, slides. You have worked with
Yes.
slides now. So that is another space that is provided by Google. So these are different websites that helps us to do what work we are want to do from the computer network. Okay, so learn more about internet, go ahead with first chapter. If you face any difficulty, we will discuss in the next class. Okay, and you use Canva for creating this storyboard. Today I will upload this project in your Google Classroom also, and the sample that I have created, I have sorted out, that will also upload it. So with the help of that sample, you will create your storyboard. Mind it, we have discussed about multimedia. Our main focus is multimedia. We have to keep in mind the things that we have discussed about photography, about the content. It should be specific content, smaller storyboard, with various tools and techniques we have used in multimedia. Okay, and I'll just see to the storyboard problems, and I'll come back to in the next class. Chalo, bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.